In this video, I will discuss how to simplify a square root. And I'm going to start with this statement of the square root of 4 equals 2. Most people know that already, but I'm going to talk a little bit about why that is true. 2 times 2 equals 4. So this 4 can be broken down into 2 times 2. You can also think about that as 2 power 2. And since the root of 2 matches the power of 2, this root will cut this power. They will go away, and the answer will simplify to 2. You can also think about it as just 2 times 2. There's a pair of 2's. And anytime you have a pair of numbers or variables inside a square root, you can take that pair out to a single number on the outside. In this next example, I'm going to start with 8. And once again, I'm going to break it down 2 times 2 times 2. Now, since my root is 2, I'm going to consider that there is a 2 power 2 here. This 2 times this 2 is 2 power 2. And there's an extra 2. So now I have to simplify this. And I must simplify this power 2 and this root 2 because they will cancel. So this 2 will come out, but this 2 is only one of them. So it will have to stay inside. You can also think about it from here, where I take out a pair. Anytime I have a pair inside a root, such as this pair of 2's, I can take it to the outside. But this 2 here needs to remain inside. So this pair of 2 become a single 2 on the outside, and this single 2 that was on the inside remains. Now, in this next example, I'm going to look at more bases inside this square root. I'm going to start by breaking it down again because I have to find the pairs and take any pairs out. If any of my powers are equal or more than the root, I must take something out of that square root. I broke down 72 into 2 times 36 or 2 times 6 times 6. I don't need to break these 6's anymore because I already found a pair and I will be able to take those out. I also broke down the x power 2 to x times x. And because I have y power 9, I want to find pairs. I will write that as 4 and 1 more. 4 y's and 4 y's are 8 y's. 1 more would be a total of 9. But I want to write it with pairs. So the easiest way to do that is to say 4 and 4, which is 8, and then 1 extra. Now, once again, I'm going to take out anything that's in a pair. So this pair of 6, these x's, and these y power 4's, because there are a pair of them. There are 2 of them inside a square root. And this 2 and this y remain inside. There are not enough of them to take out. So taking out the 6 to the outside, taking out this x to the outside, and taking out this y power 4 to the outside, and the 2 and the y left over inside. This is my simplified answer. For more practice, refer to problem number 4 on mathcart.com's Refresher Math section.